In 2026, every doctor, designer, and student uses AI daily. Because of that, the job market no longer pays a premium for casual users. Companies are aggressively searching for integrators and leaders who can tie these tools directly to the bottom line. The standard advice online tells you that to be an AI leader, you need to master everything at once. They say you need to write Python scripts, build data analytics dashboards, engineer perfect prompts, and design graphics and deploy automation agents. Spreading your effort across 5 distinct technical domains guarantees one outcome. You will achieve shallow, mediocre competency in all of them while burning yourself out in the process. This decision tree illustrates a strategy called the scenario match framework. The correct approach to AI leadership is to align one specific AI skill path directly with the professional background you already have. If your day-to-day involves logistics or operations, your focus belongs at the top of the tree, building systems. If your background is in marketing, your lane is the creative branch. If you spend your time in finance or strategy, your path is rooted in logic and numbers. Broad literacy across 50 different tools makes you easily replaceable. True market differentiation comes from integrating deeply into a single specialized area. This quadrant chart maps the leverage an AI skill gives you against the effort required to master it. Down here in the bottom left, we have the communicator track, which relies on daily experimentation with UI-based chat interfaces. This skill provides immediate productivity outcomes. You can draft emails, summarize massive reports, and generate initial concepts in seconds. But because the barrier to entry is virtually zero, this skill offers almost no long-term market differentiation. Talking to AI correctly is now a baseline expectation for office work, not a competitive moat. Moving up the scale, we find the creator track. This subset encompasses visual design, video generation, and audio AI tools. This requires heavier inputs. You must understand latent space logic, how AI interprets spatial relationships, and learn to heavily weight prompts in complex software. The outcome is pure velocity. One user can execute entire multimedia campaigns in days instead of weeks. The harsh trade-off for creators is a loss of control. You have to transition from a granular artisan tweaking every pixel into a high-level art director, sacrificing precision for sheer speed. Low-friction AI skills drastically boost your personal output today, but they are also the fastest skills to be commoditized by the broader market tomorrow. Returning to our quadrant chart, we move into the high-leverage territory with the system builder. This demands learning logical routing, workflow automation platforms, and the architecture of basic code. The payoff is immense. You gain the ability to create scalable, silent systems that execute the daily, repetitive tasks of entire administrative departments. But there is a severe hidden cost. System builders are entirely responsible for continuous maintenance. When a piece of external software updates and breaks your integration, you become the IT department forced to troubleshoot it. Finally, we reach the analyst track, which focuses on data tools like Power BI, SQL, and statistical storytelling. This track requires foundational knowledge, blending traditional statistical analysis with the deployment of new AI data agents. Competency here allows you to extract highly lucrative, actionable business strategies from raw, disorganized company metrics. The fatal bottleneck for the analyst is data hygiene. If the company's underlying data is poor, feeding it into the most advanced AI tool on the market will produce entirely useless results. You will spend the vast majority of your time simply cleaning spreadsheets and organizing formatting rather than executing high-level AI analysis. Achieving the highest levels of career leverage through AI requires you to accept permanent, unglamorous responsibilities in data maintenance and debugging. It is time to abandon the anxiety of trying to learn every tool. This scorecard outlines your specific 30-day focus. You need to commit to one lane. If you are a time-poor generalist, ignore coding entirely. Put all your effort into advanced text prompting and context building. Your immediate goal is to build just one reliable text-based workflow that buys back 2 hours of your administrative time each week. If you are a technical optimizer, skip the generative design tools. Dedicate your daily practice to automation platforms like Zapier or Make. Build a single, functioning bridge between 2 distinct pieces of software that you use every single day. If you are a creative specialist, ignore the data pipelines. Focus purely on mastering AI image and video generation workflows. Sit down and output one cohesive multi-asset branding campaign from scratch using only AI tools. Committing to a single, focused project that aligns with your background creates tangible leverage. Aimlessly exploring dozens of different tools creates nothing. The brutal reality of this industry is that the specific tools we use today will change dramatically or become obsolete entirely within a few months. If you take a 6-month break from learning, you guarantee that you will fall irreparably behind the market curve. Technical skills will constantly reset. Consistency and continuous curiosity are the only true protective moats a professional can build. Becoming an AI leader doesn't mean knowing every tool on the market. It means choosing your specific domain, shutting out the noise, and starting your first project today.